Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. We have to find the product of these two numbers. So 1,44,878 multiplied to 4,778. So let's start with the unit place. 8 8 is 64. 7 8 is 56 plus 6 is 62. So we again have a 6 here. 8 8 is 64 plus 6 is 70. 8 4s are 32 plus 7 is 39. 8 4s are 32 plus 3 is 35. So again we have a 3 carried. 8 1s are 8 plus 3 is 11. So this is first row multiplication, which is, let's see, 144,878 multiplied by 8. So in next row we'll have to consider a 0 because in next row we'll be doing this multiplication multiplied by 70. Now since we are going to simply multiply with 7, we'll consider this 0 already here. So 7 8s are 56. We have to carry 5. 7 7s are 49 plus 5 is 54. So again 5 is carried. Then 7 8s are 56 plus 5, 61. 7 4s are 28 plus 6 is 34. So 7 4s are 28 plus 3 is 31. Again 3 is carried. 7 1s are 7 plus 3 is 10. So now in next line we'll be multiplying 1,44,878 with 700. So we'll be taking two zeros over here, and since the multiplying digit is the same, we'll get the same thing here, 1014146. So in next line we'll be multiplying 1,44,878 multiplied by 4,000. So we'll take three zeros here. Now 4 8s are 32. 3 will be carried. 4 7s are 28 plus 3 is 31. Again 3 is carried. 4 8s are 32 plus 3 is 35. Again 3 is carried. 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 19. So 1 is carried. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 is 17. Again 1 is carried. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5. So now we simply add all 4 rows. 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 carried. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 7, 17. Again 1 carried. So 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 12. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. 7 plus 2, 9. 6. So what we have here is multiplication 69 crore 22 lakh 27,084. This is the answer.